Without using logarithmic tables, prove that log 81 by 16 minus log 8 by 9 plus log 128 by 243 is equal to log 3. Here, for this one, I am going to use this formula. That is log m by n means I can write it as a log 81 minus log 16 minus, again for this I am going to apply this formula, log 8 minus log 9 plus log 128 minus log 243. Okay. Now next, log 81 can be written as log 3 raised to 4 minus log 16 can be written as 2 raised to 4 minus log 8 can be written as 2 raised to 3. Minus into minus is plus. 9 can be written as log 3 square plus log 128 can be written as 2 raised to 7 minus log 243 can be written as 3 raised to 5. Okay. Now I am going to use this formula. Log m raised to n can be written as n into log m. So this is your n value. So 4 log 3 minus 4 log 2 minus 3 log 2 plus 2 log 3 plus 7 log 2 minus 5 log 3. Now see, wherever 3 is there, here log 3 is there, here is also log 3 and here is also log 3. Here it is 4, here it is 2. 4 plus 2 is how much? 6. 6 minus 5, or else what I'll do, I'll take a common. I'll take log 3 as a common. So here it is 4, here plus 2 minus 5, and here I'm going to take a log 2 as a common. What is remaining here? Minus 4, minus 3 and plus 7. 1, 2 and 3. Is that clear? Now 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 5 is 1. 1 is nothing but the same thing. So log 3. Here minus 4 minus 3 is how much? Minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is 0. 0 into anything is 0. So your final answer is log 3. You can see here. I hope you understood this sum.